this whole time I was wearing the wrong foundation shade.
What?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe I've been using the wrong foundation shade this entire time. However, yesterday I was lucky enough to go to the Fenty Find Your Fenty Match event. I was happy enough to be able to see a representative and they helped me color match, and she was like, oh, don't tell me what your shade is, you know, let's confirm if it's correct. So I'm like, oh, okay, bet. If you've been watching my channel for a bit, you will know that I use the shade 430. However, if you've also been watching those videos, you would see that it is orange. So I let her do her thing. She swatches things. She doesn't even tell me what she uses either. She swatched 3 shades and one of them obviously seemed like a pretty good match. And for some reason I thought that was 430 because that's just what I've been using. But it was 440! What I'm assuming is that I'm 440 in the summertime, and in the winter I can probably just get away with 430. So I'm getting ready for work, so come along with me to try 440 in this video. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Why do we have to work? I mean, I know I have to work because I need money, but I want to just relax. I got shade 440. I need to shake this up a bit. I'm going to take my 440 and pump it onto the back of my hand. Okay, take that. Just applying dots of it to this half of my face. I remember this foundation used to dry down very quickly. I'm not sure if it still does that, but I mean, it's not doing bad.
Wow!
I think that's a very good match, personally. Yeah. I think that looks amazing. That is actually very spot on. It looks good. This is the side with foundation and this is the side without foundation. I ain't mad. I ain't mad at all. Okay, let's do the rest of my face. I like to use 3 pumps to cover my whole face, so 1 more pump for my big forehead, 5 head, gang. I'll be 430 again, maybe in the winter time. This is the final look. The 440 surprised me. Miss Fenty, she knows what she's doing. But thank you all for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. And remember, self-care is how we practice self-love. Mwah! Bye!